Welcome to Emotional Trainer's private office. We are currently waiting for the markets to open in about 20 minutes. And this is the second trading day of the year, and as we can see, futures are under pressure today. They are under pressure. As we can tell, this is the S&P 500. The lower right longer term tick chart, we can see that we had fallen to a 200-day moving average. Looking on the 24-200 tick chart. And top one over here, that's a 15-minute chart. It's a little more aggressive. We have the 5-minute and the 1-minute. Also the little smaller tick chart over here. Looking at the overall trend, as we can tell, it's still in a nice upward trend. And yesterday we popped out of this little rising wedgie that we had over here. And what was significant was this morning we opened right after markets had closed and everything. We closed looking at the March futures 1280, and last night around 12 o'clock or so we started selling off a little bit. And as we can see now, there is a little bit of a gap here. So we might be filling this gap early in the morning and to try maybe to test the high of December 28th, that is. So we got a little bit of a double top formating here, and this is going back all the way to October, the end of October, and we hit it over here. So classic double top formation, but we still are in a nice little bull run. But I would like to see us at least fill a gap today to 1260. After a big marginal day yesterday, you're talking 250 points. It's pretty significant. And going over to our other monitor, we can see that the bonds over here, the 2, 5, and 30-year bonds are starting to get a little bit of volume coming in. We can see the last few block trades went over there over 1,000, a little 800 on the 5, and let's see the 2 about 500 or so. And looking at the dollar, just the dollar versus franc over here, we can see that it's picked up quite a bit. So money's moving out of equities and going into inverse markets such as the bonds and the foreign currencies. And that's about it. Over here we got the Dow Jones futures and the Nasdaq. Some other stuff, not too important, but it is a big day today, and the market's going to open very shortly. And if you were with us yesterday, you saw us taking a trade against the Starbucks. I figured it was way overbought, especially with the run we had. And the market's not open yet, but we are looking at some substantial gains on our call. We actually sold some naked calls. Very dangerous play to be doing, but we've been playing around long enough to know, to set our stops marginally accordingly, and we had quite a bit of money tied up short in the futures yesterday, so it was a nice little area. And you can see here, open bell, 15 minutes. We'll be back with you to close up this position and hopefully take a long, assuming the S&P 500 falls another 6 points or so. So we'll be back with you very shortly.